Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to sew this beautiful blouse. I'm using this flowered material for this blouse. If you are new here, please consider to subscribe and remember the notification bell. In that way, you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. I appreciate it. 1 yard, I'm using 1.5 yards for this blouse. 1.5 yards by 60. I'm going to cut the top first before I cut the flat. I fold my material into 2. I will fold again and leave 2 inches on the back for zip. I will mark 2 inches on the back for zip. I mark here. Half length is 16 inches. I will add 1 inch to sew. I will use ½ inch to sew on the shoulder and ½ inch to sew on the waist. Shoulder is 14 inches. Divide by 4 is 7 inches plus ½ inch to sew. Placing my tape on the shoulder, I will measure down 9.5 inches. Bust is 42 inches. Divided by 4 is 10.5 inches, which is here. I will add 1 inch to sew. Waist is 38 inches. Divided by 4 is 9.5 inches. I will add 1 inch to sew and 1 inch to add that. I will mark armhole. I will measure neckline 3 inches. I will use ½ inch to cut on the shoulder. I'm going to cut front neck. I place my tape on the shoulder. I will measure 3.5 inches. I will cut zip neck on the back. This is where I will sew zip on. I will bring it this way before I cut back neck. I'm going to cut the back neck up to this place. From the shoulder down here, I measure 13 inches. I'm going to cut here. I will measure from here 4.5 inches for that, from the center to this place, 4.5 inches. I'm going to sew that here. So I'm going to cut the flag now. I fold into 2, I fold into 2, I fold into 4, into 4, then I will bring this way. I fold this way. Waist measurement is 38 inches, so I'm going to cut 38 inches here for waist. I need 9.5 inches to add to 16 inches. Full length is 25 inches. So I'm going to measure from here, from this point here. I will measure 5 inches, 5 inches, 5 inches, continue like this, 5 inches, and 5 inches. I'm going to measure 9.5 inches. Measurement I have here is more than 38 inches. I'm going to add kissing plate on the waist. I cut here for zip. I'm going to add zip here. I will leave about 5 inches on the back. I will leave 5 inches on the back and sew from here to here. I will leave here open for zip. I will sew to the top. I'm going to start to sew now. What I will do is to go and hem the bottom round, then I will cut turning for the neck. I will sew here. I will sew that. I will fold this way for that, and here I will measure 4.5 inches from here to here, 4.5 inches, 4.5 inches. I will sew from here to here. I will sew from here to here. I will do the same on the back. I will fold this way. I will measure from here to here 5 inches and sew this way. I'm going to use bias for the back neck. I'm done sewing the neckline. This for the front, and I sewed that. And for the back, I use bias to sew for the neck on the back. I'm going to do the same here. I will start from here this way. I will fold on the back like this with the bias sewing here. I will fold this way and place this one inside. This is where I'm going to sew zip on this place. So I will place like this and sew here. After sewing, I will bring to the back and hem just like the way I sew here. I'm done hemming the bottom of the flag. I'm going to cut bias for the armhole. The back, This is the first one I sew, and this is the second one. After sewing, I join the shoulder. I'm going to join this shoulder here. I'm going to join, this is the front, this is the back shoulder and the front shoulder. I place this way. The one I use the turning front neck, I bring to the back shoulder this way. I will sew here. After sewing, I will, this is the one to hem on the armhole. I will sew this way. After sewing, I will bring to the back and stitch down just like the way I did here. So I'm done sewing this side of the armhole. I'm going to sew this side now. I just want to show you. After sewing, I notch. Be careful so you don't cut the thread which you use in sewing. I'll bring this way and stitch down. I'll stitch down up to here. After doing that, I will join the two sides. I will measure 42 inches divided by 4, measure 38 inches divided by 4. I'm done sewing the two sides. I'm going to sew the flared like I said. I'm going to sew pleats on the waist. This is where I notch for the back for zip, and I will sew together with this one. I will sew here. This is where I will sew zip on. I will sew zip here. This is the zip I'm going to use. This is the side of the top and the side of the flared. I hold with pin so you can see the remaining one here. I will make it splints. This way. I will sew. I will make case splints here. In here, I'll continue case splints like that. I'm done sewing. I'm going to sew zip on the back. I will sew from here 3 inches. I will sew here. I'm done sewing zip on the back. Going to iron. You can wear on a jeans trouser, and you can also wear on a skirt. This is the final sewing, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are new here, please subscribe and remember the notification bell. In that way, you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. If you have any question concerning this video, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video.